So I was driving pretty fast, maybe going 90 when I saw the cop, and I was like, well, my home is very close to here, and he has not started yet, so I'm just gonna gun it. And it doesn't sound like that, it was a Chevy Tracker, so it was more like, it wasn't just kind of shaking on the road. I was going 105 when he clocked me. So I skid out, I overshoot my driveway, I land in the church next door, he comes out with his gun, and he's like, hands where I can fucking see him, yada yada. I have all my registration and shit ready for him, like I pulled over. And I'm like, oh, here's my shit. And so he pulls me out of the car, he's going through my pockets. I just got done working at the restaurant, so I had a pocket full of lobster, and he thinks he scored big. He pulls out the lobster, and it's like this off-white milky substance in a bag. I like, don't know what it is. He's like, what's this? Oh my god, that's lobster. Oh, that's a first. Anyway, this song's called Dui Dui.
And a boozer when I'm cruising in my Buick. Nobody into nothing, no man. I was trucking going 70 or something. Bad idea when you're drunk and driving home. Where I wanna be getting stoned. At this idea in my head that I've been sleeping in my bed. Not a single hint of dread except the warnings echoing in my head. Or I fit the idea that I could be dead by the law. I was born driving home. Where I wanna be getting stoned. Whoa, oh, 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 do it. Why did ya do this to me? Whoa, oh, 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 do it. Why did you go ahead and do this to me? Whoa, oh, 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 do it. Why did you do this to me? Whoa, now that I'm fucked, I wish I had another drink. Makes me think when I'm zoning in the morning with them already, and I'm ready for a drag it to a sip of brew. I'm strapping up my truck and shoes, looking back on the days of old, and nothing else mattered except getting on the road. And I know the big day when I'm back in that happy place. Yep, I know I mean hope, yeah, cause I don't know a thing, and I'll bring you to the brink of the extinction I was living in. Well, all you guys to do is listen to the soulful rhymes I'm spitting, so it's broke, yeah, so it's written. And I'm gripping even tighter on the single-laden songwriter. Thinking about the day when I'ma be the guy inside your mind, just resonating, never hating, dedicated to creating love and peace, music and weed, and all good things that cerebrally please and make us believe that the world we got here ain't as crazy as it seems, ain't as bad as it appears. I feel tense when I pass by a policeman. Sirens in my mind despite the silence that resides. And I find the shit abrasive, plus come on though, let's face it, ain't no danger in the way we blaze it daily in the 802. Just trying to unwind and have ourselves some time, but peace is hard to find. Incarceration on my mind. I can go to war and kill a man, but I can't smoke that Mary Jane in my bury your motherland. Shit like this I can understand. Can't you feel it, man? The energy in the land makes you wanna raise your hand. Don't forget what you done said, cause it don't matter anyway. Now, and I always make the lyrics up, cause I forget the words. I'm a loser and a boozer when I'm cruising in my Buick. Nobody into nothing, no man. I was trucking going 70 or something. Bad idea when you're drunk and driving home. Where I wanna be getting stoned. At this idea in my head that I've been sleeping in my bed. Not a single little dread except the warnings echoing in my head. Or I fit the idea that I could be dead with the law. I was born driving home. Where I wanna be getting stoned. Oh, 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 do it. Why did y'all do this to me? Oh, 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 do it. Why did you go ahead and do this to me? Oh, 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 do it. Why did you do this to me? Whoa, now that I'm fucking wish I had another drink. I think I'll be doing another drink. Why did you do this to me? Whoa, oh, 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 do it. Why did you go ahead and do this to me?